Learn and speak English. I wake up early. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I take a shower. I make the bed. I make the bed. I water the plants. I water the plants. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I vacuum the carpets. I vacuum the carpets. I dust the furniture. I dust the furniture. I fold the laundry. I fold the laundry. I take out the trash. I take out the trash. I wipe down the counters. I wipe down the counters. I do the grocery shopping. I do the grocery shopping. I check my emails. I check my emails. I answer phone calls. I answer phone calls. I write in my journal. I write in my journal. I relax on the couch. I relax on the couch. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.